Turn all power and breakers off before starting install. Route all SoftStart wires into the electrical box. Then crimp disconnects on SoftStart wires. Step 1. Follow yellow compressor wire to contactor block position 23. Disconnect. Cut I-ring off. Crimp female disconnect on wire. Then connect to blue SoftStart wire. Tape or use shrink sleeve on connection. Step 2. Connect black SoftStart wire on contactor block terminal yellow compressor wire was on. Step 3. Connect yellow SoftStart wire on a terminal next to the blue compressor wire on the Herm terminal of the Run Capacitor. Step 4. If you have a start relay, follow blue wire from relay to Run Capacitor Herm terminal next to the blue compressor. Tape end and drop wire. Step 5. Follow black compressor wire to contactor block terminal 21. Disconnect. Cut I-ring off. Crimp female on black wire. Connect to brown SoftStart wire. Tape or use shrink sleeve on connection. Step 6. Connect red SoftStart wire on contactor block terminal black compressor wire was on. Turn power and breaker on. Turn thermostat to cool. Set the thermostat to 55. Go look at SoftStart. Run LED 1 should be solid green. With green light, shut down and replace all covers. Turn AC back on, set thermostat near current outside temp, and run for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, operate normally.